Hello, I'm Michael A. Castillo, a marketer and the Vice Chairperson of Tansa Credit Cooperative.
Hello, I'm Marvin A. Buscato, a former service crew before I joined and become a board member of this cooperative.
And we are the Tansa Credit Cooperative. Tansa Credit Cooperative was established in the current year, 2024. The cooperative promotes economic well-being, openness, social responsibility, and capacity to help other people in various ways possible. Which that this cooperative has the mission, which is to be trusted partner in the Tansa community, promoting financial literacy, supporting local businesses, and investing in community development initiatives. And the vision to be one of the top cooperatives in the country and continuously provide our members with social and economic benefits and to increase their income, savings, investment, productivity, and purchasing power.
The purpose of this cooperative is to credit services to empower and uplift its member by providing accessible, member-focused financial solutions that align with their personal and business goals. These services aim to facilitate economic growth, promote community well-being, strengthen financial resilience, encourage sustainable practices, and invest in member growth. The Tansa Credit Cooperative credit offering are designed to empower its members, contribute to sustainable community development, and uphold the cooperative's values of mutual assistance and shared success.
The color of Tansa Credit Cooperative's logo are blue, which represent calmness and relaxation, which translates to responsibility and reliability in business, and green, which is the color of money, and it represents creativity. The settings icon in the COD wheel represent making change or manipulating the inner workings of the cooperative, and the symbol in the middle represent union or unity.
Tansa Credit Cooperative aims to contribute financial well-being not only to the member but its outside beneficiaries. This cooperative will be your guide to pursue your future financial goals as well as develop your knowledge about starting to build economic resilience. The cooperative has community development projects, assistance with tax planning and strategies, and livelihood loan programs.
To achieve economic well-being and your personal financial growth, come and join our cooperative. We will guide you throughout the process and make you feel comfortable working with us as we promote healthy workplace and aim to help who can benefit.
You can reach us through visiting our office at 156 Sampaguita Street, Tansa Dos, Navotas City, or message us through phone with this information 0909271721 for phone number www.tansafinancialcooperative.com for our website and tansafinancialcooperative.com for email.
Here in Tansa Credit Cooperative, success is attainable.